Now question number 5. Find the largest number of two digit which is a perfect square. Find the largest number of two digit which is a perfect square. And in question 6 it is find largest number of three digit which is a perfect square. So these two questions are similar. Question 5 and 6. 5 is find largest number of two digit. So here you write largest number of two digit is 99. Now in order to find which number is largest, what we can do, a number more than 99 is 100. 100 is more than 99 and 100 is equal to 10 square. Therefore, 9 square is the largest two digit number. That is 81 is the largest two digit number. Similarly, question 6, three digit sorting given, but I am taking an extra sum. Say largest number of four digits, because 2 and 3 are given here, is 9999. If you go ahead to this number, if 1 is added, it becomes 1000 is greater than 9999. And here is this 1000 is 100 square. Therefore, largest number of four digit will be 99 square. 99 square, which is a perfect number, and is perfect square. So you calculate this perfect square. 99 into 99, 99 is 81, 99 is 81 and 8 is 81 and 8 is 89. Again 1, 9 and 8. You get here this 0, 8. So 980. This is the number which is of four digit and is a perfect square. In this way, you can determine a number or largest number of required digit which will be a perfect square. Let us take one more example. It is extra one. I am doing one more extra question to make you clear here. Suppose number of extra question I am taking to explain you largest number of 5-digit is 99999. If you go ahead to it is 1 followed by 5 zeros is greater than 99999. Here are 5 places, there are 6 places, so it is greater. And here you see 1 zero is extra here because 10,000 is a perfect square, but 1 lakh is not a perfect square, so it will reduce than that. Here to find what number is that, so we shall do what? We shall first take square root of this number or a number which is perfect square. So it will be a difficult one. This it is 4 0, here it is 5 zeros. When it is actually this 1 2 3 4 5, it is 1 0 0 0 0 into 10. So here is the square root of this is 100 into square root of 10. 100 into square root of 10 is 3 point something, because 3 into 3 is 9, but 3.1 is some greater than 9 and 3.2, so square root of 10 lies between 3.1 and 3.2. You can see here 3.1, because 3.1 into 3.1 is 3 1 3 and 9, that is 961. The square root of 3.2 is 3.2 into 3.2 is 1 0, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, this is 4 2 1 0. It is 1024. So it becomes slightly greater than that. Similarly, it is 10 into 3 is 300. 300, whose square is 300 into 300. Its square is 9 followed by 4 zeros. When you take 310 into 310, then what will come? It will come 96100, which will be lesser than this. But as you will do 320 into 320, it will go ahead and will be this way, which is greater than that. So 96100 is square of that. But here one thing is to be remembered, that after 310 and between 320, more numbers may exist. Like after 310 is less than 311, 312. Likewise, so up to where we should go so that it should come. So it becomes a difficult one, and you cannot go up to 320, but before that. So take an example, it will be difficult for you. 315 into 315 becomes here 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5 to 7, 15. Here is 5, 1, then 3. Then 3, 5, 4, and 9. In this way, 5, here is 2, here is 2, 1, 9, and this is number 992 to 5. Thus many tests will be performed to find whether this number is going ahead of that. Similarly, 316 into 316. So a number of 3 digit also is not very suitable here. It should be 2, 4, 6, and cases of 3, 5 and 7 becomes very difficult for you. Here see, many operations will be done to understand here. 316 is 6 6 is 36. Here is 9, 6 3 is 18. Here is 6, 1 3. Then here is 8, 4, and this is 9. So it is 6, 9 6 15. 8 8 16 17 1 18. Carries 1. Here is 9. Here is 9. So it is 9 9 8 5 6 of 316, and so on. You will go further, and after many operations 317 will go ahead of that. It becomes difficult at your level. 7 7 are 49, 7 1 are 7 4 11. Here is 22. By 1 is 7 1 3, and by 3 is 1 5 and 9. Then see here, it goes bigger. 9, it is 8, it is 4, it is 0. This. Now 17 goes. Therefore, the square number here is 99856. So, largest number of 5 digits becomes difficult here. Therefore, this 99856 is the largest. So, such questions should not be here. But question 6, which is a 3 digit is given, will be difficult to you. So you take here only digits which have 2 digit, 4 digit, 6 digit. Don't try for 3, 5 or 7, which will be very difficult to you. Okay. So keep here this thing. If any difficulty will arise, we shall discuss in class, because square root or largest number in case of the numbers higher or largest number of 5 digits, 7 digits, 3 digits, it's a bit difficult. I shall deal it later on.